My name is Aisha Ahmed. Today I will discuss about the summary of research paper of ecotoxicology. Ecotoxicology of human pharmaceuticals. Low levels of human medicines pharmaceuticals have been detected in many countries in sewage treatment plant (STP) effluents, surface waters, sea waters, groundwater, and some drinking waters. For some, pharmaceutical effects on aquatic organisms have been investigated in acute toxicity assays. The chronic toxicity and potential subtle effects are only marginally known, however. Here we critically review the current knowledge about human pharmaceuticals in the environment and address several key questions. What kind of pharmaceuticals and what concentrations occur in the aquatic environment? What is the fate in surface water and in STP? What are the modes of action of these compounds in humans and are there similar targets in lower animals? What acute and chronic ecotoxicological effects may be elicited by pharmaceuticals and by mixtures? What are the concentrations and how do they relate to environmental levels? Our review shows that only very little is known about long-term effects of pharmaceuticals to aquatic organisms, in particular with respect to biological targets. For most human medicine analyzed acute effect to aquatic organisms are unlikely except for spills. For investigated pharmaceuticals, chronic lowest observed effect concentration (LOEC) in standard laboratory organisms are about 2 orders of magnitude higher than maximal concentrations in STP effluents. For diclofenac, the LOEC for fish toxicity was in the range of wastewater concentration, whereas the LOEC of propanolol and fluoxetine for zooplankton and benthic organisms were near to maximal Mayer STP effluent concentration. In surface water, concentration are lower and so are the environmental risks. However, targeted ecotoxicological studies are lacking almost entirely, and such investigations are needed, focusing on subtle environmental effects. This will allow better and comprehensive risk assessment of pharmaceuticals in the future. Thank you.